I'm in a new module which is like quality profile in SonarQube, which is very important for that developers or like DevOps teams which they wanted to customize their quality profile. So what is quality profile is like the set of rules which we are applying for that particular our code based on the languages. We are getting a default quality profiles from SonarQube, which is provided by them. But yeah, there is a customizations required for a lot of projects on basis of requirement. So we can create our new quality profile and we can apply that quality profile on those projects. You can sort out the quality profiles from here based on the languages. There are currently there is a default profiles. Let me just create a new profile and let me show you how we can use the other options to create those profiles and customize those quality profiles. Okay, so let me just create a new profile. So I'm creating my new profile. Okay, let me select the language here. Let me go for the flags. So there is two options like parent and none in SonarWay. If I select here parent SonarWay, so that whatever that current profile is having rule, that is automatically inherited to this profile, new profile. Okay, so let me select it. So you can see like I have already there are 48 activated rules which are override by the parent profile, but remember it, I'm not able to modify it or inactivate for those rules. Okay, because these are coming from the profile. But yeah, you can add a new more rules from here. So there are more rules in flags I can activate and I can add it. Okay, now let me go to the again in search the flags. So you can see there is my new profile. I have already two more rules I have activated, this which is like 50 rules, and this is the parent one is SonarWay. Okay, which is default 148 rules. Apart of that, if I'm not going to create a parent profile, I can create a non parent profile like this, which is like non parent profile. Okay, let me go for the same language flags one so that we can go and better understanding on that. So you can see there are also one profile which is coming like new profile. So if I wanted to make a child of new profile, I can also select this one. But now I am going to create a fresh profile only, which will be no rule activated rules here. So I will now activate rules from my side here, like I want only this 5 activation rule, so I can create it from here. And this is not any inherited parent, this is the default rules which I am making. Okay, let me clear out this filter and go to the quality profile. Let me go to the flags. So now you can see there are we have three profiles. One is like non-parent, which is having 5 activated rules. One is SonarWay, which is by default, and one is new profile. So now how we can apply this, that I will show you later for the project side. Now let me explore the other configuration item for here. So there is when we click on any profiles, this options called compare, copy and extend. These three options are very important. So copy is like something, if I want to copy the same of the particular quality gate profile, I can create and give a name like my quality copy profile. This will give me the same set of rules of whatever that particular quality profiles. Okay, the 381, and now I can activate more rules from here. Okay, let me activate more rules here. So let me just go here and go to the quality profile, and you can see we have new copy profile which is having 383 rules over there. Okay, now there is a question on what we can do with using copy. So this is very many times you want to same rule from that any profile, and you want to copy that profile, and you want to add some 2 or 3 more rules, so that you can manage from there. Or else there is also an options you can extend those profiles. So like extend is something like that, you can give the new name. Okay, now let me just give you the new name. So for this I will be able to uh, extend my rules. So let me just click on this, and I can activate here. So here you can change the rules, severity, or like some status, those kind of things you can change, and you can make uh, the particular configuration based on your requirement. Okay, so that will be like the extended quality profile to you. Okay, see, you can see this is the extended one, 385, which we have extended from this one. Now there's one more options here. You can, if you can see here, there is a option compare. Okay, so the compare is like, suppose I want to compare this profile from anyone, so I can go and select compare, and I can compare it from any profile. Let me compare it from here, so I can see like 2 more rules are in this profile. Okay, now let me go to the again and see other options here. Copy and extend and compare we have already seen. Rename and as a if we want to default, set as default for any profile, you can do as a default. The other one is, which is very important option, like suppose if you wanted to migrate this profile to one SonarQube server to another SonarQube server, so you can take a backup of this one. Like suppose this is my customized profile, and I can click on backup, so this will save me an XML file, and when I go to the restore section for a new targeted SonarQube servers, I can choose this file. Let me just remove this one, and I can show you. So I had already took the backup, let me just remove it. Okay, I have removed right now this profile, and this is there is no profile like the same. So let me just go and restore that profile. I can go here, and I can go my download section, and I can choose that particular profile XML, and let me just restore it. So you can see this profile is restored successfully by using this XML. So that is also like we can do it. Basically we can use it if some backup which we needed of the quality profiles, or if we want to the same quality profile in the another server. Okay, so that's it from my side for right now in quality profile modules. We will see in our next lecture for quality gate and then administration for that.